Yo, so I have a 2008 Silverado 2500 HD, and like many people, you may potentially run into the challenge where you lose cruise control. There's a couple videos out there that basically tell you more than likely it's this brake light switch, which runs about $20, AC Delco part on Amazon. Basically, this came just today, so it took the hardest part of taking the other one out. If you look at the diagram, this essentially is right up by your brake pedal, and this piece it goes around the little rod, and you just gotta take a little flat head and pop this bad boy off. Once this comes off, this, just like this, pulls right off, and the new one goes on. Boom. And on this side, you just slap the clip back on. It's real simple, but if your cruise control's out, that's more than likely the issue. There's the part number right there. I'll try to put the link in the description to where you buy it, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is the toughest part right here. Just getting that off. It actually looks real easy, but it just takes a few tries, and with a flathead, and it'll pop off. Good luck. Hope it helps. Wait.